Today, we will present the data visualization on TIE's dataset. These are the team members. We would walk you through the existing education trends across various states in India. First, we will see how India has made progress over the years and then the impact on enrollment due to various infrastructure facilities and teacher qualification. The intention of this dashboard is to give the overall pictures of schools and what are the current prevailing conditions in schools to figure out the key improvement areas for each state. This dashboard gives us the overview of the education sector in India. Let's start with this map, which is showing us the demographics of India state-wise. On hovering on a state, we can see the literacy and population details of that state. From the legend, we can see that the red color indicates where the literacy rate is lower and the green color indicates where it is higher. One can also see the trend changes with time as we move from 2008 to 2014. We see that most of the states turn into green. Now we try to examine the reasons behind the increase in the literacy rate over the years. We start with the number of schools opened. We can clearly see that the count of the government schools has not increased much, whereas there has been increase in the number of schools in the private sector. To see whether this rise in private also impact their enrollments, we take a look at enrollment per school ratio. Here we can confirm that the enrollment per school has gone up for the private sector. Now lastly, we come to the facilities being offered by the schools, and as we can see, the number of schools having drinking water facility has gone up in 2014 as compared to 2011. The same is the case with computer. Now that we have seen how the school and the facilities in those schools have grown over the time, we now analyze the impact of various infrastructure facilities like water, electricity, computers, classroom in good condition, toilets, and teacher qualifications on the enrollment in different states. This dashboard drills down further to understand how enrollment varies with various kind of school facilities. If we see states like Gujarat and Kerala, Bihar, and in most states there is a positive linear relationship between the facilities and the enrollment, which means as the facilities are increasing, the enrollments are also increasing. The rate of increase is different, but the trend is same in the mentioned state. But not all the states follow this trend. There are some which violate this trend. Let's see this in detail. States like Andhra Pradesh, Rajasthan, Odisha have a nearly constant enrollment. The facilities are increasing over time, but they are not impacting the enrollments in these states. Now we'll see some more examples where only a single facility has an impact on the enrollment of the state. States like Tripura, only improving conditions of the classroom is showing the increase in the enrollment. In states like Chandigarh, Haryana, the impact of building girls' toilet has been quite significant as we can see here. The impact of teacher qualifications has been quite significant in states like Jammu and Kashmir and Manipur. One more important thing is to be noted here, the count of the postdoctoral teachers, which is very less in states like Delhi and Maharashtra. Now that we have seen the trends in most states, we can conclude that there are different trends all over India. The parameters differ from state to state, and the impact these parameters have that also varies. Thank you.